This is our typical flat wire chain that you'll see on our volumetric systems. We're going to talk about a few of the maintenance tips on these. First of all is going to be your Ironman gearbox. This thing should have the oil change in it on an annual basis. It takes Glide Oil 460 oil. How you change it is you'll pull out your vent cap. Right here you have a side plug. You want to pull out this cap and the side plug both. Add oil through the top. When it comes out the side, that's how you know you got it full enough. Replace your caps and that's good to go. You do that once a year. The second thing on this thing is going to be the tension on your chain. Right here's your take-ups, the 6-inch take-up. And you want to make sure that you have grease in these take-ups because they are made out of stainless steel and they will seize up on you. So you want to grease these before you start adjusting them every time, just to be sure. So you loosen up your jam nuts here and you push this on a downward motion, which will bring this take-up out. On the other side it will be up, it's just the opposite. And you want to measure that from this plate to say your last grease circ and keep them balanced on both sides so you don't wear out your sprocket. Once you get it tight to where you need it, tighten down your jam nuts and that's good. And a good example of seeing how you got it loose or not, we'll go on to the bottom side here. Okay, and this is the example of your chain. If you see slack in your chain such as this, that means it's too loose. So it's time to go up to your take-ups and tighten it up. Your chain should be flush with the base of your chain paddle, flat wire chain. Once you get it there, that's tight enough. That's